So hello everyone, today we're in a little hamlet called Atalaya, and we've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom with nice kitchen and living space, lock up and leave property, or it could be a home with a fabulous pool. So let me take you in and we'll have a look around. So here are the apartments. And this is one of the blocks. The other block is across the road. It's in this lovely Spanish hamlet. And it's pretty quiet here. You also have your own off-road parking spot. Okay, so we go inside now. We go in through these double gates. It's a very secure area. So I'll just walk inside here. And of course, just through there is your pool area and some beautiful, amazing views. So this is the property. So I'm just going to take you inside. You've got this lovely door, the door handle, very ornate. And just inside, just shut the door behind me. As I just come over here, so I've just come into the living space now, and just to my right we have a bathroom. It is fully tiled from ceiling to floor. You have a shower curtain, bath, WC and sink and pedestal. You've also got a frosted glass window there. Little unit with lights as well. So a nice good sized bathroom. Here is the living space, as you can see. But first I'm going to take you in through one of the bedrooms. So this is a good size large double bedroom. It has 2 single beds in, but they're really good generous sized bedroom, and it's to the front of the property. Okay, just going to pan around for you. Now as I come out of the bedroom, this brings you into the living area. You have a dining room table here, which is your dining area, which is just off this lovely kitchen. It's quite a good sized kitchen. You have got granite worktop space and plenty of it. Got plenty of top and base units. You've got your washing machine, electric hob and electric oven, and of course your sink and drainer. And this looks out to the front of the property. It's all tiled all round, and you've got your fridge freezer there. And you also have an integrated hood extractor, as well as your integrated electric hob and oven. Okay, so there is another bedroom on the other end of this apartment, so I'll take you in there to have a look around. So this is another bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom, as you can see. And this looks over the pool area. You have 2 large double wardrobes there. It's like his and her wardrobe. Okay, you've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. And these are really good size bedrooms. Okay. So this makes a lovely holiday home. It's also got aircon in here as well. So just out here you have a lovely little terrace where you can sit down. So just here, this is quite shaded, so when it gets really hot in the summer, you're a nice little shaded spot. And that's the gate out onto the pool area there. So a lovely pool area with lovely established flowers and plants and palm trees over there. And you have got a children's pool as well. So guys, let me take you outside and we have a look around. Some people have their beds out, they're going to catch the sun. It is end of May and it's very hot. We're getting up to 28 to 30 degrees at the moment. Fabulous pool here as well. And of course you've got the steps to go in there. Just over here, I'll just show you. Got a little area for children. And it's all established with beautiful flowers and plants and shrubs. Here looks like it's the deepest end of the pool. It's quite inviting really, isn't it? You have these lovely umbrellas as well out here, so it can shade you from the summer sun, and lovely gardens. And of course the birds are tweeting. Really beautiful. And of course it's all lit up as well. And this pool area that is here looks out on to these lemon groves and orange groves as well over the countryside with fabulous views all around. So guys, what do you think of this property? A lovely property in a beautiful hamlet here in Atalaya. It's got fabulous pool, lovely community here. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, lock up and leave. So if you're interested in the property, I will leave the reference number in the title of this video, and do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com or check out our website lettoseltobuy.com. So until the next time, take care. Hasta luego.